Hey guys, so today we are going to do a little build breakdown. For those of you who don't know, my name is Carissa, aka 86.Carissa on Instagram, TikTok. So here is my 2022 Toyota GR86. We bought this July of 2022, so we are going on about 2.5 years of owning it so far. Ended up being that we needed another 86 in our life, so this is number 2. We also have a third 86 now, which is the drift car. So just kind of follows along with the trend. So today we're going to start off with the exterior, which the main thing that most people are going to see first off is the custom wrap. We had this designed by a good friend of ours who's an amazing designer. It's based off of a traditional / futuristic Tokyo, Japan scenario. It's got the cherry blossoms, like a neon looking style, like downtown Tokyo type look, a few other little touches. One of the cool things about the design is we implemented some of the sponsors into the design, as well as just some companies, good friends, people that we wanted to promote and have be a part of the wrap. Then some other things that people don't notice is there are some Easter eggs throughout the wrap. So there's some items like my grandma's birthday is in there. For those of you who don't know, Dash is also half Japanese, so that's also part of the inspiration here. We do have the code of Bushido on the rear. So next, as far as for the exterior, we also have the Seibon carbon fiber hood and fenders. And we also have the Alpharex headlights. Cool thing about those is the only reason why we even have those is because unfortunately we hit a deer with it the first winter that we had it. And we took that opportunity to take advantage of it and use the insurance money to get aftermarket parts instead of OEM, because it actually ended up that this set of headlights alone is less than one OEM headlight. So might as well take the opportunity. So we got some cool looking parts to go along with it. Next, we also have the arrow catch hood pins, just to help hold the hood down because it looks like it flaps around. We also have the lit logo GR badge, just for some extra lighting. The Perrin front and rear tow hooks, specifically for track. And we paired that with we have a Tomei Expreme TI Type 80 exhaust, single exit. And then as far as wheels, tires, suspension, and brakes, for like the daily, everyday driving, we have the Anovia Kano 18 by 9.5 plus 38, wrapped in Continental Extreme Contact Sport 02s. Those are 235/40 R18s. And then we do have a track setup, which is the Gramlight 57DR 17 by 9 plus 38, wrapped in Falken RT660s, which are 245/40 17s. We are also running the Goodridge Stainless steel brake lines, Hawk ER1 brake pads all the way around, Fortune Auto 500 coilovers, DBA front rotors just on the front. And then we also have threw a GKTech angle kit on the car because we couldn't handle it anymore. We had to go drifting. Hence now we have the third 86, which is the drift missile. But at the time we didn't have the third one, so we threw the angle kit on the GR so we could go sliding. As far as the engine goes, don't have too much going on, but we have the Rexspeed carbon fiber hood struts, MST intake, the Jackson Racing oil cooler, and then we do have technically Ecutek on the car. We had taken it the first year to Impulse Performance, partnered with them to let them do some testing. But when it was all said and done, with it being in full stock form, it didn't put out the numbers that we wanted to see, so they ended up putting it back to the stock tune. So maybe eventually here soon, we can get the rest of our exhaust set up and a few other parts. We can take it back in, and we'd be getting somewhere around 230 to the wheel, I believe. And then onto the interior, I threw my Status Racing seat out of my FRS as the driver's seat. I love the Status seats, so figured why not. It is sitting on a PCI seat rail. We also have a fire extinguisher in there for track events. And then it does still have all stock audio in it, so because of that, it was kind of lacking a little bit, and we like a little bit of bass, so it has a sub and an amp that is technically removed for track events. And last but not least, we have a Killer Bee oil pickup baffle sitting on the shelf that needs to be installed. So we will be getting that installed in the next month or so. So that, guys, is my build breakdown of my GR86. If you have any questions, drop them down below. This is obviously not completed by any means, but it is a great start for me to be able to do track days, a little bit of drifting, daily driving, make it look good. So if I want to take it to a show or something here and there, it still kind of looks good, looks cool. Let me know what you want to see next, and we'll see you in the next one.